A young man applied for a managerial job at a big company. He passed the first interview, and the director interviewed him for the final decision. The director saw that the young man had excellent grades all through his school years. The director asked, "Did you get any scholarships in school?" The young man replied, "No." "Did your father pay for your school fees?" The director asked. "My father passed away when I was 1 year old. My mother paid for my school fees," the young man answered. The director then asked, "Where did your mother work?" "She worked as a clothes cleaner," the young man said. The director asked to see the young man's hands. They were smooth and perfect. "Have you ever helped your mother wash clothes?" the director asked. "No, my mother always wanted me to study. She could wash clothes faster than me," the young man replied. The director then made a request. "When you go home today, clean your mother's hands and see me tomorrow morning." The young man felt confident about getting the job. When he got home, he asked his mother if he could clean her hands. She felt strange but happy. As he cleaned her hands slowly, he noticed how wrinkled and bruised they were. It was the first time he realized how much his mother had worked to support his education. He cried and finished washing all the clothes for her. That night, they talked for a long time. The next morning, the young man returned to the director's office with tears in his eyes. The director asked, "Can you tell me what you did and learned yesterday?" The young man replied, "I cleaned my mother's hands and finished washing the clothes. I learned to appreciate my mother. Without her, I wouldn't be successful. I also learned how hard it is to work and the value of family." The director said, "This is the kind of person I want as a manager. Someone who appreciates others, understands hard work, and values family. You are hired." The young man worked very hard and earned the respect of his team. The company's performance improved greatly. Moral: to truly value something, you must understand the hard work behind it. Appreciate and respect the efforts of others.